Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to build serious bicep muscle, whether you're working out at home or hitting the gym, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to break down a complete plan that combines the best of both worlds: effective home workouts and powerful gym-based exercises. I'll walk you through specific reps, sets, and how often you should train for real muscle growth. Let's get those arms poppin', let's go. First, let's quickly break down what you're training. The biceps brachii has two heads: the long head and the short head. Both work together to flex the elbow and rotate the forearm. To build bigger biceps, you need to train them with progressive overload, variety, and consistency. Whether you're using dumbbells or body weight, the principles stay the same. Let's start with home workouts. Even if you don't have access to weights, you can still target your biceps with body weight and resistance-based moves. Here's a home bicep workout plan you can do 3 times per week, every other day. Perform this as a circuit and go for 3 total rounds, resting 60 to 90 seconds between each round. First, bodyweight supinated chin-ups for 8 to 12 reps. Use an underhand grip to really isolate the biceps. If this is too challenging, use resistance bands or a chair for assistance. Next, towel curls with isometric bicep holds. 3 sets of 30 seconds per arm. Wrap a towel under your foot, curl with one arm, and resist with your leg for an intense contraction. Then we've got wall curls using a resistance band or towel for 12 to 15 reps. Anchor the band or towel behind you and curl against the resistance. After that, grab a backpack, fill it with books or water bottles, and do 12 to 15 reps of backpack curls, using it just like a dumbbell. Finally, add in some slow eccentric push-ups for 10 reps. This isn't a bicep-focused move, but slowing down the lowering phase helps build overall arm strength and stability, which supports hypertrophy. Make sure to focus on the squeeze at the top of each movement. Mind-muscle connection is key, especially when you're not lifting heavy. Now, if you're hitting the gym, you've got more tools at your disposal. Here's a gym-based bicep routine that packs on size. Do this 2 times per week, with at least 48 hours of rest between sessions. Choose 4 exercises per session, perform 3 to 4 sets each, and rest 60 to 90 seconds between sets. Start with barbell curls, 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Use a straight or easy curl bar. Keep your elbows tucked and avoid swinging. Next, incline dumbbell curls, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Sit on an incline bench to stretch the long head of the bicep and increase your range of motion. Then go for cable rope hammer curls, 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. This hits the brachialis and the forearms, giving your arms a thicker look. Follow that with concentration curls, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Sit down, isolate the bicep, and curl slowly, focusing on the peak contraction. Finish with 21 seconds for 2 sets. That's 7 reps for the lower half of the curl, 7 for the upper half, and 7 full range reps. It burns, but it works. Remember, proper form is more important than the amount of weight you lift. Cheating your curls might help you move more weight, but it won't help you grow more muscle. To grow your biceps, train them 2 to 3 times per week, with at least 1 day of rest in between sessions. If you're just starting out, stick with twice a week and gradually increase your volume as you get stronger. Recovery is just as important as training. That means getting enough sleep, staying hydrated, and hitting your protein goals. Aim for around 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight daily. Alright guys, now you've got everything you need to start growing those biceps at home or at the gym. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment with your favorite bicep move, and make sure to subscribe for more weekly fitness content. Until next time, stay strong.